Huh. That shit just bushes in there. Hey, it's green. That's cool. How much they cost? I can get a kid at the pay station looks like.
Take the next left onto Black Forest Drive. Then your destination will be on the left.
That could be really short. That's green bushes. That's cool. Let's see what it looks like.
This is where it says enter here.
I thought that was. Oh my goodness, wow. Now I can see the prices are close.
Which one?
Does it really matter?
Where he's at.
Let's see. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh.
Hello. No, sir.
Let's see.
All right, thank you.
What you chose, Daddy?
Did you hear what I said?
$15.
Who has the buzzer, Mommy? That's cool, so.
Yeah.
Well, I never seen this kind of conveyors before. Whoa. I never seen this kind of conveyors before. Now I'm gonna get started. This will be really quick, guys.
This one. Free soap and foam.
Oh, I should have set the bag. It's too late.
Oh, that's nice.
Aden, what's this?
This is pre-soap.
Free soap.
Oh,
It smells good too.
oh wow.
Wow.
My first smelling day again. Let's see. What is it?
Nice job.
Yeah, I said brushes on this side. Let's do this side first. Amazing smell, you know.
It smells neat.
My first smell, it just started. There's a brush on this side.
Wow.
Wow. Thank you, Mike. Oh, there's a chocolate. That's a
Here it
chocolate.
comes. Wow, that's huge.
I'm gonna miss the top. I had the
Top
top.
brush.
This is glass.
Another one, Aden.
Another one?
Yeah.
You get two.
Wow, two. And that's a
Top
cheddar.
wash.
I never seen that before. That's a cheddar. Water on this side. Oh, we missed the water. Yeah. Whoa, look at that green. That's it. Whoa, wow.
I think this is wax, clear coat, or some kind of protectant. What do you think?
I saw it green in the beginning.
Final rinse, dryer. Look at the dryer.
I can't see it at the back.
Yeah, you just look at her and jump it out.
I can't see them because they're at the top.
That is cool. It's like, wow.
I can't see. Well, it's,
Recording here.
good thing. Guys, look at that, Mom. Whoa, look at this. Oh, I haven't seen that kind of side before. Mommy's head is in the way. Okay, let's go. Okay. There's a little club behind us. There's a giant right there behind us, guys.
Xpress.
Oh, that is cool. Well, thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.